In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Microsoft Teams in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing projects, communicating with your team, or both, integrating these two powerful tools can significantly enhance your productivity and collaboration. Let's dive in and get started. Firstly, we need to head over to Clickup, which is known as the Everything app for work. It serves as a central hub where you can manage all aspects of your projects. If you're not already on their website, open up your web browser and type in Clickup. Once you're there, look for the login option. This is where our journey of integrating Clickup with Teams begins. Now go ahead and enter your email address. This is the email you've used to create your Clickup account. Make sure it's accurate, as any mistakes here will prevent you from accessing your account. When you've double checked that, proceed to the next step. After entering your email, it's time to input your password. It goes without saying that your password should be kept private and secure, so take extra caution while typing it in. If you have trouble recalling your password, ClickUp provides an easy option to reset it via your email. Once your email and password are accurately entered, we can move forward to login. Hit the login button and you'll be taken to your ClickUp workspace, specifically directed to the home area. Here you might see tasks, projects and updates from your team. It's the nerve center of your workspace. You might take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home screen if this is new to you. From the home screen, the next critical step is navigating to the settings. In ClickUp, all the customization and integration magic happens within the settings. Look around for a gear icon or any link that says settings. Once you locate it, simply click on it to potentially open a new realm of features. Now that you're in the settings section, your next move is to find the App Center. The App Center is a treasure trove of integrations and apps designed to expand ClickUp's functionality. Clicking on App Center will reveal a list of various applications that ClickUp can be integrated with. Among those applications is Microsoft Teams, which is the focus of our tutorial today. Search through the options and identify the Microsoft Teams icon or link. Once you've found it, click on it. This is your pathway to seamlessly merging ClickUp's project management prowess with Teams communication capabilities. After selecting Microsoft Teams, you'll see a button or link labeled Connect. Clicking this button initiates the integration process between ClickUp and Teams. Depending on your browser settings and permissions, you might be prompted to log into Microsoft Teams. Ensure that you have your Teams credentials handy to facilitate a smooth connection. And just like that, you've integrated ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. This powerful integration allows you to sync tasks, updates, and notifications directly from ClickUp to Teams, ensuring real-time collaboration and streamlined workflows. It's an excellent way to maximize efficiency in managing projects and conversations concurrently. Remember, this integration is not just a convenience, it can redefine how you organize and communicate within your team. By embedding ClickUp tasks within Teams, you avoid the hassle of switching between different applications. Everything you need is a click away, making your project management that much simpler and more effective. To appreciate the full benefits of this integration, make sure to explore features such as task commenting, status updating, and direct reporting within Teams. This setup truly transforms how you and your team approach project management and communication. Before we conclude, let's recap the essential steps. Starting from the ClickUp login page, entering your email and password, navigating through the home screen to the settings, accessing the App Center, choosing Microsoft Teams, and finally pressing on Connect. These straightforward steps allow you to integrate ClickUp with Teams swiftly, enhancing your productivity and easing team interactions. As you move forward, you might discover additional integrations or features within ClickUp and Teams that can further support your work habits and team dynamics. Stay curious, continuously learn, and adapt these tools to best fit your needs. That's all for today's video. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has illuminated the path to connecting ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. Feel free to explore more tips and guides on similar integrations to bolster your project management toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.